Yes. Next, let us see the mechanized agriculture. So it is also one of the impact of the irrigation development. So what are the impacts that we have we have been seeing in the agriculture due to this mechanized agriculture? So first, let us see the introduction part in which we are using lot of the machineries in agriculture. So we are getting greatly increasing farm worker productivity. Then replace the use of working animals such as oxen, horses, and mules. Then production, distribution, and utilization of variety of tools, machinery, and equipment. So once we are using lot of machineries in the agriculture, the productions in the machinery sides also increases. So it is the great impact to the irrigation development. And we are in a great era of agriculture. So because we are using lot of machineries, so that the manpower gets reduced, the production is also in the agriculture field increases by using this kind of equipments, and the time is also consuming very less. So mechanized agriculture. So current mechanized agriculture includes the use of tractors, trucks, then combined harvesters, then countless types of farm implements. Okay. Then uh, precision agriculture even uses computers in conjunction with satellite imagery and satellite navigation, GPS guidance to increase the yields. So because we locate or we identify the exact we locate and identify the exact place where the particular crops can be grown, so that thing can also be possible. Improving mechanism encourages production efficiency, large scale production, and sometimes can improve the quality of farm produce. So yes, we are also getting lot of more quality farm productions with the use of this mechanized agricultural system. Then some agricultural machinery, farm machinery, in irrigation engineering, then drain engineering. So we are using this lot of fields. Yes. So in drain engineering we have sprinkler, drip irrigation system. So these are some of the machinery, so that we the efficiency of irrigation also increases. Okay. Irrigation system also increases with the use of this kind of sprinkler irrigation, drip irrigation. And we also make the lot of pipelines so that the water can easily be conveyed from one point to another, and it will evenly be distributed into the agricultural field. Okay. For that we are using lot of machineries to erect the pipes, to install the pipes, and to make the connection, efficient connection to the pipes. And if there is any repairs, it can also be easily detected, and it will be rectified very immediately. Therefore the water loss is also being reduced. And also we are using farm machinery. Farm machinery is for making the ploughing and loading and unloading the agricultural products, and making the proper maintenance of the land. For that purpose we are using the farm machineries. Yes. And in this irrigation engineering we are using lot of the irrigation system, especially like uh, direct irrigation, indirect irrigation, like that. And drain engineering we are using the lot of pipelines and some other canal system to convey the water from source to the land properly by reducing the loss. Then machinery manufacturing associations in India, tractor manufacturer associations. So it is the great association that is available. Then power Power Tiller Manufacturers Associations, PTMA, All India Combined Manufacturers Association, AICMA, then Pump Manufacturers Association, PMA. So these are all some of the machinery manufacturing associations in India, which is exclusively related to agriculture development. Then use of this mechanization loads to improvement in agricultural technique. The improvements come in the area of irrigation, land reclamation, and the prevention of soil erosion. Yes. It modifies social structure in rural areas. The status of social structure is also being improved in the rural area by using this kind of machineries. Then introducing of commercial agriculture. Yes, it is possible to uh, to to it is possible uh, to increase the yield of agriculture, and also we can load the that products agriculture products from one place to another place, and it can easily be transported, and we can make this shop at anywhere, and therefore the commercial agricultural being is being improved in the current scenario. Then mitigate farm labor shortage. Yes, nowadays the labor problem is more, uh, and therefore by using this kind of machineries, uh, we need not engage the more labor in the field. Then reducing the cost of operation. Of course, by using this kind of machineries, the cost of operation gets reduced. Then mitigate farm labor shortage. The quality of produce. Yes, we are also getting the more quality of protections, agriculture protections. Then reduce time. It is very important thing. We consuming less time. We are consuming the less time for sowing, and for harvesting, and for watering. Everything now it is being mechanized, and therefore it is being done very quickly, and therefore the time gets reducing. We are consuming less time, and we are also engaging less labor manpower. Yes. So these are all some of the uses of mechanization. The sources of farm power. The main sources of farm power can be classified as human power, animal power, and mechanical power. Sometimes electrical power and renewable energy are also included in this category. Yes, these are all the some powers or energy that we are utilizing for the agricultural development. The main sources of farm power can be classified as human power. Yes, without human being, it is not possible to do the agriculture. So it is the major and main power of the agricultural farm or farm power. And then animal power. Yes, we should also utilize the animals for sowing the weeds, and also we are using the cow dung as fertilizer, the natural fertilizer. So that will be helping to grow the plants in well, and it is giving good yield. Yes, and the mechanical power. Yes, without mechanical power it is not possible to transport the products from one place to another place, and also to do the agricultural in efficient manner. So sometimes electrical power. Yes, without electrical power it is not possible to operate the pump. So because most of the system in the irrigation in the southern part of India, as well as some north part of the India, so they are doing the pumping irrigation. Yes, they are doing the pumping irrigation and borewell well irrigation. They are doing well irrigation. In that case, we need the pump. To run the pump, we need electrical energy. So for that, electrical power and renewable energy are also included in this category. Then system of agricultural machines is being classified. The major classification is support system and process system. So in the support system, further frame, power, control. In this process system, reversible, non-reversible, and non-directional. So like that, we are seeing the system of agricultural machine. So by mechanized, in this mechanized agricultural system, what are the advantages and what are the disadvantages? So that is pros and cons. We are going to discuss the pros and cons of this mechanized agriculture. So first let us see the disadvantages part. So once if we want to procure the machine for products of agriculture, we have to invest lost, which means we have to spend more money, and therefore it leads high cost. Then displacement of workers. So by using these all machineries, what happened? The workers is displaced from one place to another place because they won't have the job opportunities in the agricultural field. Then compaction of soil. Yes, the soil gets compacted. Any agricultural field, if we use the machineries, what happen? The load is the tire pressure which compact the soil. Dynamic pressure compacts the soil. So that land is may not be fitting for further agriculture. So it causes environmental pollution. Of course, it emits the lot of fuel fuel waste, and the gases emitted, and therefore the environmental gets polluted. Then degradation of landscape, yes, destruction of soil structure, then redundancy of farm labor. So these all things are being considered as disadvantages part of this mechanized agriculture. Whereas what are the advantages in that case? So machines replace animal power. Yes, we won't use any animal, we won't disturb any animals for the use of agricultural product, agricultural field. Then the production is also increasing with the use of this mechanized agriculture. Then we save the lot of time. Yes. Then standardization of work. Yes, we are having some regulating system of works by using this mechanized system, mechanized agriculture, and we are getting more accuracy and high efficiency. Yes, the efficiency of the irrigation also increases. Then quality of work is also improved by the using of this mechanized agricultural system. So with this I just conclude this chapter mechanized agriculture, so which is coming under the agricultural impacts, irrigation impacts in irrigation development. Thank you.